Okay, class, we are now in the second part of the intro to programming. And you'll see here we've got tutorials and then data. So it right here, this gives an introduction, and the same thing happened on the first one. It I just had gone through it first, but everyone, we should go through the tutorial because it actually has no, you'll notice here, there's no run button, there's no copy, there's no paste, there's nothing for you really to do other than look and read because it already gives you the answers and shows you examples. So reading through this um, is a good idea, if not mandatory. But we can go back to this. So it says, now your turn. Start the exercise. I'm doing this for the first time myself, so while yes, I do understand coding, I have never solved these problems. So, every time there's a new problem, even if you know the language and understand it, that doesn't mean that it happens for you immediately. So it says set up the notebook, run the run the next code without changes to set up the notebook, same as in the first one. So I'm going to click into the cell of the notebook and run current cell. And while that's doing it, I'm going to say in the house prices advanced regression techniques competition. I need to do some reading competition. You need to use information like the number of bedrooms and bathrooms to predict the price of a house. Inspired by this competition, you will write your own function to do this. In the next code cell, create a function called get expected cost. Remember, underscores all lowercase, and then we always have the parentheses. And it's going to have two arguments. And if we go back to, let's see, how do I get back to the tutorial? You right here. Okay, so right here, if we get stuck, and it says how to call a function. Okay, great. Here's the function. And then if we go down here, it shows us, okay, so it has to start with the definition, and then the name of the function, and then the location or location's argument, the name of the variable the function will use. Then also to remember, you have to have exactly 4 spaces there, or else it will not work. That is the indent. So I'm going to go back to my here, and right here, it get expected costs that has 2 arguments. It should return the expected cost of the house that is the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Assume that the expected cost of a house with 0 bedrooms and 0 bathrooms is $80,000. Wow. And each bedroom adds $30,000 and each bathroom adds $10,000. For instance, a house with one bedroom, a house with one bedroom and one bath can be have an expected cost of 120. Why? Because one bedroom, so 0 is 80, and then we add in 30, that is 110, and one bathroom is 120. A house with 2 bedrooms and one bath is 150. Why? We said 120, 110, and then another 20,000 for 2 bathrooms. Oh wait, 1 bedroom and one bath is 120. Adding another 30,000 in is 150. So, definition, that's in the Kelly green. Blue, that is that's the call to the define a function. This is the name, get expected cost, beds, bath, value, and then you're going to return the value. So we would do I'm not sure. Let's do one comma 1. So it says incorrect expected return of value of 80,000 given zero beds equals 0, baths equals 0, but you got 1 1 instead. Okay, let's do a hint. I think it was P3 or Q3 dot hint open close brackets. Okay, so I'm getting a hint. Begin by calculating the total number of square feet that needs to be painted based on the figure below. Once you know how many gallons, I feel like this is not the correct hint, but as you can see, we're going to have to play with this a little bit. I will be here. Oh, this is coming from question 2 about how about to paint. Uh, you know, these are things that use basic math, but we also have to get the code right. I am